15 shares share on Facebook tweet share email comment. The NBA world was in shock on Wednesday when news broke that former NBA player Rajul Butler and his wife Butler and his wife were driving around 2 a.m. when he lost control of their Range Rover, which led to them hitting a parking meter and slamming into a wall before the vehicle flipped over in Studio City. Police believe that he's speeding during the time of the accident, according to the New York Post. The 38-year-old Butler last played in the NBA for the San Antonio Spurs during the 2015-16 season. He was a part of Ice Cube's 3-on-3 summer basketball league, the Big 3, which debuted this past summer. The 31-year-old LaBelle appeared on American Idol in 2004 and finished in 12th place on the show. She also became very popular on YouTube after posting cover videos and release an album after signing a joint deal with L.A. Reid and Epic Records. Jermaine Dupri's So Def Recordings and Pharrell Williams' company I Am Other. Butler is originally from Philadelphia and played his college ball at LaSalle University. His NBA career started in 2002 and just ended in 2016. He averaged 7.5 points and 2.4 rebounds during the 809 games that he played as a pro. He was a second-round pick of the Miami Heat in 2002 and also played for the New Orleans, Oklahoma City Hornets, Los Angeles Clippers, Chicago Bulls, Toronto Raptors, Indiana Pacers, Washington Wizards and the Spurs. Butler just posted a photo on Instagram less than 24 hours ago and people have been posting their condolences in the comments section. "We are here to be ourselves and no one else." A post shared by Rajul Butler at Rajul Butler 8 on January 30, 2018 at 8:47 p.m. PST. Butler was a close friend of former NBA star Lamar Odom and was often on the Chloe. He was also in a Trina music video. Our condolences go out to the Butler family. The Premium Network ad-free browsing over 10,000 videos. All in one. Access join for free. Go Premium with THESPORTSTER. Go Premium.